Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Business and Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 9, 2022. Hard Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 8. Column J also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, column F, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Ninth row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 2. Column F also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 2. So 7 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th, 6th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 1. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 8th row, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.